Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, it's time for a little tough love, right? It's time for some true honesty, right? When it comes to making money online, opportunities, and being successful with making money online. I'm doing this video because I get a lot of, questions, comments about, different opportunities and people, who seemingly, really want to make money online or think they want to start making money online. But the more questions I get, the more and more I'm like, listen, man, I think sometimes people are confused, right? People just don't get it. Some people just are delusional with certain things, right? So let's start off by saying this. The most profitable ways to make money online. I'm gonna be honest. At least this is my opinion, but it's pretty legit. But so the most lucrative ways to make money online is affiliate marketing, right? YouTube, right? Drop shipping. Having your own t-shirt, print on demand t-shirt businesses, right? A lot of people use Shopify, selling different, products and things like that. Network marketing. There are people making a lot of money with network marketing. And there's a few, ways, Fiverr, freelance work, doing all kinds of stuff like that. These are the most profitable ways to make money online. And all of these methods, all of them, the ones that, can make you the most money, they're going to take effort from you, right? It's just a fact. It's something that, because so many people, they're like, first of all, how much money will I make? Like, if I start doing this, how much money will I make? Well, I don't know. So somebody asked me about one of the opportunities, like, well, are you successful with it? How much money will I make with this? And I'm like, well, I'm successful with this, but I can't tell you, how much you're going to make with it because I'm not you. Are you going to put in the same effort that I put in? I don't know. You know what I mean? Like if you get an opportunity or you pursue an opportunity, in most cases, you should be interested in the opportunity. But most of the time you're interested because you see the earning potential of something. You see an affiliate marketer saying that they make $10,000 a month. So you're like, oh, hell yeah, that's what I want to do, right? Now, what most people ignore, what most people don't want to admit or realize is what did it take for that person that's making $10,000 a month to earn that money? That's what people need to understand. And I'm using affiliate marketing because that's what I usually do, and even with YouTube and stuff. But it could be with anything. eBay, drop shipping. All these, like drop shipping, you see people like, I make 20 grand a month drop shipping. All I do is find a product, find a distributor, and have it shipped to my customers. So people are like, oh, okay. Now, what else do you got to do to make that happen? How much effort, how much research do you really got to do before you can start making 20 grand? So when somebody approaches the drop shipping offer and they're like, oh, I want to get your program. How much will I make again? When will I start making 20 grand a month? The product creator cannot answer that question because they don't know what your effort is going to be, right? And I think so many people, they get programs, they get involved with stuff, and they really think like you don't have to do absolutely anything. Right? Like it does not work like that. If you're into this whole, I want to be my own boss, I'm an entrepreneur, right? I got all these ideas and this and that. You're going to have to put in effort. No one's going to literally take your hand and just hold it all the way, to your $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, right? You have to be willing to put in effort no matter what it is you're trying to do. Because people could look and be like, well, you're promoting this and that. Yeah, I'm an internet marketer. That's what I do, right? I'm supposed to make videos. I'm supposed to put Facebook ads up and all that. That's part of the game, right? But this applies to anything you're trying to do. You know what I'm saying? Forget what I'm doing. If you're trying to be a big time eBay seller, which is possible, right? Like you got to put in effort. No one's going to be like, all right, well, I'm going to list everything for you, and I'm going to take the pictures for you, and I'm going to post, 10 things a day for sale, and I'm going to, but a lot of people who message me or join my list and all that stuff, they really think like, so I don't got to do nothing, right? If you think like that, you need to be a straight investor, right? You might want to just get into investing, and investing, another thing, I got stocks and stuff that I lost money on. I lost money on crypto. So even investing and stuff is not a guarantee to make money, right? But if you're the type of person who's like, I want to make money online, like this is what I want to do, right? But you don't want to actually do anything. You don't want to create videos. You don't want to write articles. You don't want to post on Facebook. You don't want to post in free classified ads. You don't want to do research for eBay. You don't want to connect with drop shippers to do a drop shipping business. You don't want to set up a Shopify store. You know what I'm saying? Like you have to be willing to put in that effort when it comes to this whole entrepreneurial online money making opportunity stuff, because this goes back to one of the oldest sayings ever. If it was truly that simple, wouldn't everybody be making $10,000 a month? Think about it. Wouldn't everybody be a big time eBay seller? Wouldn't everybody have a Shopify store? Think about it. So if you're watching this video, really understand that people really are making money online. You can really make money online. But first things first, you need to realize that it's 99% of things that you're going to make a lot of money doing, you're going to have to put in that initial effort. You have to put in that work, do your research, and really take it serious, right? And quit expecting for you to actually, pay something. Oh, I paid $50, or I paid $100, or I paid $5, whatever. And you think you could just pay that money, and then all of a sudden, money is just going to start flowing into your account with you doing absolutely nothing? Like, that shit don't even make sense, right? So, I encourage anybody who watch my channels or who talk to me, like, you can do this. You can make money with affiliate marketing. You can make money with network marketing, right? If you want to sell on eBay, you can do it. But please, for crying out loud, understand that you're going to have to put effort in. You're going to have to invest either time, some money, or both for you to be successful if you're trying to hit that $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month goal. You have to be ready and willing to put effort in. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. And in my description, and I always put it in there, I'm going to put the things that I do to make money online. Right now, you can take a look at them, and I'm sure there's something that appeals to you. Right. And every one of these things that are in my description, you can make money with, like, without a doubt, because I've done it. Right. But know that it will take some sort of effort on your part to make that happen, but it's very, very possible. So check out the description of this video, look around, hopefully you find an opportunity that inspires you and you start making the money that you want to make. All right, so I will see you in the next video. Peace.